morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kamal. Today, let us know about the section 23 of the CGST Act that deals with the persons who are not liable for registration under the GST design. So, this section contains two subsections, that is subsection 1 and subsection 2. Subsection 1 says persons who are not liable for registration are the following. So, subclause 1 says person who engaged exclusively in the business of supplying goods or services or both that are non-taxable or that are wholly exempt from tax under the CGST Act or IGST Act. So the word used in this subclause is exclusive. That means puri tarah. Person who engaged exclusively in the business of exempt supply is not liable for registration. For example, businessman engaged in the supply of cattle feed. So that businessman is not liable for registration under the GST design. Subclause second says an agriculturalist to the extent of supply of produce out of the cultivation of land. वो फार्मर जो अपनी ज़मीन से पैदावार करके किसी को भी बेचता है उसको जीएसटी के अंतर्गत रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाने की कोई भी आवश्यकता नहीं है. लेट अस कवर टू केसेस अंडर दिस सब क्लोज. सो केस नंबर 1, एन फार्मर प्रोड्यूस रॉ जूट एंड प्रोवाइड्स टू द फैक्ट्री. केस 2, एन फार्मर प्रोड्यूस कॉटन एंड सप्लाइज टू द फैक्ट्री. So what are the tax implications under both the cases? Under case 1, as our central government exempt the production of raw jute, so farmer is not liable for registration under this case. Under second case, cotton is taxable at the rate of 5%. So is farmer liable for registration as cotton is taxable? No. Still, farmer is not liable for registration under the GST design. It's because of reverse charge mechanism. When a farmer produces cotton and supplies to the factory, then it's the liability of the factory to pay tax to the government, as this production of the farmer is out of the cultivation of land. So this is subclause 1 and subclause 2 of subsection 1. So let us cover subsection 2 of section 23. This section says central government may, on the recommendation of GST Council, may exempt special category of persons from having registration. For example, individual lawyer or senior advocates. In case of senior advocates, reverse charge mechanism is applicable. Any advice provided by these individuals to the service recipient is the liability of the service recipient to pay GST. So advocates are exempt from registration. So in a nutshell, these are the persons who are not liable for registration under the GST design. Thanks. Jai Hind. Jai.